they say from it open, you could kind of drop it like that, and you're gonna have that good protection. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have some cases here for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. Now, these are two cases from a company called Speck. Now, they have the Presidio Perfect Clear, and I have the Presidio Perfect Clear Fold with glitter. If that's what you like, then I got that little more pizzazz when it comes to a case, or we could do the Perfect Clear. The cool thing that I like about these cases, it's a one-piece design. Now, a lot of the fold cases are a two-piece design, and they come with that adhesive strips that there's still a lot to be desired when it comes to the adhesive, whether that's good for your device, whether you should have something sticking to your device. Now, these does not have an adhesive strip, so that's what I love about this case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. Now, we're going to try the first one here. Now, this has a, like I said, a one-piece design, and it has the raised bevel. It's supposed to have 13 feet drop protection. Now, when you get it from Speck or wherever you get it, you're going to pull off this little piece of tape here that comes right off. And that way you can open up your one-piece design. As you can see, it's a nice plastic material, but it's one piece. So you don't have to worry about, supposedly you don't need the adhesive strips. So when you're opening your device or closing it, it's gonna open up very easy. It's gonna close very easy. You don't have to worry about this moving as much as a two-piece case. So we're gonna go ahead and put this sucker in here. Like that, make sure we have it in right. And it kind of just pops in like that. There you go. And I do like the look of it as far as the, you know, the design and everything. I think you're able to get to your fingerprint reader here pretty easy. So that's good. Your volume up button. You have a nice little opening there. You got some good openings there for your speaker microphones. Type C here on the bottom. Speaker microphones also. You got some good bezel protection here and on the corners. As far as the screen, it does have a little raised lip action, so you're able to protect your device. Now let's go ahead and close it. Now this is good protection here on the cover screen, so you are definitely getting protected there. Definitely on the hinges. This is really good protection. If you ask me, from Speck, they make some really good cases, but that is definitely a awesome design. And then when you're opening it and closing it, you don't have to worry about this cover screen coming off like a two-piece case. So I do like this. Now, you have no hinge protection. If you're into the hinges being protected, then this may not be the case for you. The one thing I'll say about hinge protect cases, it's hard for you to lay your device flat. See how this lays flat? You're good to go. You want to go flex mode, you're good to go. You want to go commando, you're good to go. You know what I mean? So let's check a look at the camera protection here. Let's see if you do get some good camera protection. Let me lighten up the camera there so you can kind of see a little better. But yeah, this is definitely something that protects the camera pretty decent. So not bad. I mean, you get some good camera protection, and it does protrude some, so it's not the best, but it's not terrible. But yeah, this is definitely a heavy hitter when it comes to you know, your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. It's got a lot of, you know, it's got that one piece foldable design. It's supposed to prevent too from yellowing, so that you don't have to worry about the clear case going yellow on you. It's supposed to have some kind of technology to keep it from going yellow, so that's really good. You can wireless charge on here. it's gonna be quick and easy. Don't worry, you're gonna be able to wireless charge your phone. As a matter of fact, I got a wireless charger right here. Let's go ahead and put that on deck so you guys can see exactly how. And boom, wireless charging on deck. You ain't got to worry about it. Let's go in here. You see it's charging there. You're good to go. So wireless charging, not gonna be a problem. Let's see what else this has on it. It's got so many cool features on it. I really do like this case. I mean, I'm not crazy. I really like the strap case from Samsung, but this one is definitely a nice case. And you can show off your color, whatever color you have. Now, let's go ahead and try this glitter one. It's got that look, kind of enhances your, that's kind of cool looking though. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of neat. Enhances your Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. Now this pops off very easy too, so you don't have to worry about it. And then you just kind of pop it in here in the glitter one. Let's go ahead and pop that in there like that. Oh yeah, look at it. Man, look at that, huh? Glitter on deck. I like it, I like it. Wow, look at that. That's a special looking case right there. Yeah, man. I do like this one piece design though. This is definitely very cool. I like the way this looks. As far as the one piece design is excellent. And you got that 13 feet drop protection, so you can drop your Samsung Galaxy Fold. They say from it open, you could kind of drop it like that, and you're gonna have that good protection on it. Don't get scared. It's got a case, but this is kind of cool. I'm kind of liking the glitter. Imagine rocking that. That'd be kind of cool. All right, that's gonna do it, everybody. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this are coming out. But that is both the Presidio Perfect Clear Fold case and also the Presidio Perfect Clear Fold with glitter. Let me know what you guys think. Pretty dope. Peace out.